We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive expert overview of the Paffenery Cooling Car Seat cover. This product is designed to enhance your driving comfort by providing ventilation and cooling to your car seat, especially useful in hot weather conditions. The seat cover is equipped with 8 enhanced turbo cooling fans and a breathable cover material. According to users, it can cool down your back in under 5 seconds, making travel more comfortable even during intense heat. This rapid cooling effect is achieved through advanced aerodynamic design and cutting-edge technology, which pushes fresh air through an internal flow path directly to your back. The ventilation system is twice as strong as typical models and operates quietly enough not to disturb your driving experience. The Paffenery cooling seat cover also features an intelligent climatic designation system that allows you to adjust the temperature across 3 levels. Additionally, it includes an active vibration massage function with 5 modes designed to relieve lumbar pressure and relax muscles, adding a layer of comfort during long drives. The massage function operates on a simple on or off basis, which some users find effective though lacking in intensity options. Installation and fit are important aspects of any seat cover, and this product excels with its ergonomic non-slip backing and a securing mechanism that holds it firmly in place. It is designed as a universal fit for cars, SUVs, and trucks, and users report it fits snugly without slipping. The materials used are high-end leather combined with breathable mesh, which not only enhances comfort, but also protects the original seat from wear and tear. The cover is soft, flexible, and smooth, maintaining its appearance even after extended use. User feedback highlights several strengths. Many appreciate the quality of the finish and the durability of the seat cover, noting that it withstands daily use and friction from clothing, such as jeans, without showing wear. Comfort-wise, the fans are noticeable but not intrusive, which is a significant advantage for those concerned about feeling the fans while seated. The cooling effect is described as immediate and effective, especially when the car's air conditioning is off or insufficient. Users in hot climates, such as Texas, have found it particularly valuable for preventing excessive sweating on leather seats. The massage feature is generally well received, providing a pleasant vibration that helps reduce fatigue. However, some users wish for adjustable intensity or different massage patterns, as the current setup is limited to a single mode. Noise levels from the fans are minimal when the vehicle is moving, though some noise can be heard when the car is stationary. This noise is not typically disruptive and can be masked by music or conversation. On the downside, a few users report that the airflow is not very strong on lower settings and that the unit may shut off unexpectedly, possibly due to overheating or electrical issues. The seat cover is also firmer than a standard cushion, which might require some adjustment for long trips. Importantly, the product does not cool the air itself but circulates the existing cabin air, so it is not a substitute for air conditioning. If your car's AC is broken, this seat cover will not provide significant cooling. Pricing is considered a bit high compared to some other options, but many users feel the quality and performance justify the cost. The product comes with a 1-year warranty, adding confidence in its durability and manufacturer support. Overall, the Paffenery Cooling Car Seat cover is a strong choice for anyone looking to improve comfort in hot weather driving. It combines effective cooling, a useful massage feature, durable materials, and a secure fit. While not perfect, it stands out as one of the better ventilated seat covers available on the market today. If you own this product, please consider leaving a review to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.